Good morning, student. Now it's the same chapter, three-dimensional geometry, section formula, depend on section formula. Then I'm going to line AB joining 2 points. A point, coordinate of A point is given x1, y1, z1, and coordinate of B point is x2, y2, z2. Then ratio is given m1, x2. So now apply section formula. And section formula m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2, m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2, and m1 z2 plus m2 z1 upon m1 plus m2. Now, question number 1, find the coordinate of the points which divide the line segment joining the 2 points in the ratio 2:3 internally and externally. So, first thing internally, that is a plus sign, and externally is the out of sign. Now, look here, there are first question. So, now find the coordinate of point C, right? Point C divides the line AB and the ratio is 2:3. Then apply section formula m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2, comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2, comma m1 z2 plus m2 z1 upon m1 plus m2. Then apply where m1 is 2 and m2 is 3. This is m1, m2. First point ki coordinate is x1, y1, z1, and coordinate of second point x2, y2, z2. So m1 is 2, m2 is 3. Then h2 is 1 plus x1 is minus 2. Same, m1 is 2, m2 is 3. And now y2 is minus 4 and y1 is 3. y2 is minus 4 and y1 is 3. Then m1, 2, m2, 3. Now z2 is 6 and z1 is 5. Then finally answer 2 ones are 2, 3 2 are 6, minus 6 plus 2, minus 6 plus 2, that is a minus 4 upon 5. Minus 6 plus 2, that is a minus 4. And now is a minus 8 plus 9, that is 1. And 6 2s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 12 plus 15 is a 27 upon 5. This is the finally answer. Same externally हो तो आप प्लस कीजिएगा माइनस m1 x2 minus m2 x1 upon m1 minus m2. Otherwise same to same. Now question number second. Now given 3 points PQR. Now given 3 points PQR are collinear, and find the ratio in which Q is divide the line PR. Student, Q point divide कर रहा है line PR को. Same formula, आप m1 s2 वाला फॉर्मूला भी यूज कर सकते हो, लेकिन इसको और भी इजी करने के लिए नाउ अप्लाई इज द सेक्शन फॉर्मूला कि लेट द पॉइंट Q divide the line PR in the ratio k is to 1. So now this question, let the point Q divides the line PR in the ratio k is to 1. It's a very easy calculation. So the Q point is a k x2 plus x1 upon k plus 1, k y2 plus y1 upon k plus 1, k z2 plus z1 upon k plus 1. Now apply this formula. Then is the coordinate of Q point. K is as it is. X2, x1, y1, z1 is the coordinate of P point, and x2, y2, z2 is the coordinate of R point. So x2 is 9 plus x1 is 3 upon k plus 1. K y2 is 8 and y1 is 2 upon k plus 1. And k z2 is minus 10 and z1 is minus 4 upon k plus 1. So now this is PQR, right student? 3 2 minus 4, 5 4 minus 6 and 9 8 minus 10. Now then simplifies, the Q point is 9k plus 3 upon k plus 1, 8k plus 2 upon k plus 1 and minus 10k minus 4 upon k plus 1. But according to question, now given is a point P, Q, R are collinear, right? And find the ratio, or हमें ratio find करना है, that means value of K, right? A point Q already given is a 5, 4, minus 6. That means they are coincident, यानी corresponding coordinate are equal. Now x coordinate 9k plus 3 upon k plus 1 equals to 5. Then now the cross multiply, then 9k plus 3 equals to 5k plus 5. Then 9 minus 5 is a 4k equals to 2. 5 minus 3. Then k equals to 2 by 4 in 1 by 2. That is the ratio is a 1:2. Same अगर y coordinate are equal करोगे, same answer. Z coordinate are equal, that is the same answer. Right? Now question number 3. Again find the ratio in YZ plane. Same question, but now given is only 2 points. Right? Then first point P is minus 2 4 7, P point is minus 2 4 7 and is another Q point 3 minus 5 8, another 3 minus 5 8. Now there are 2 points are given. Now joining 2 points make a line, right? Find the ratio but in which the YZ plane divide the line segment joining these 2 points. Now look here, it's the same question. Let the point R divide the line PQ and the ratio, let the point R divide the line PQ and the ratio k is to 1, same formula kx2 plus x1 upon k plus 1, ky2 plus y1 upon k plus 1, kz2 plus z1 upon k plus 1. Now apply this formula and then इस फॉर्मूले को अगर हम अप्लाई करते हैं, so that is the coordinate of point R, kx2, x2 is 3 and x1 is minus 2 upon k plus 1, k y2 is minus 5, sorry, plus y1 is 4 upon k plus 1 and k z2 is 8 and z1 is 7 upon k plus 1. Then this is point R. But now this line, according to question, that means given line PQ, right, crosses the YZ plane. Crosses the YZ plane. And you know student, equation of YZ plane. What are the equation of YZ plane? The equation of YZ plane is x coordinate 0. That means this is x coordinate is 0, यानी कि 3k minus 2 upon k plus 1 equals to 0. Now the cross multiply, that is the 3k minus 2 equals to 0. Then is a k equals to 2 is to 3. k की value positive, that means internally divide कर रहा है. अगर negative आती है तो that is external divide. Same question number 4, using the section formula. Now the 3 points are collinear. Student, 3 points are collinear, हमें prove करना है. You know student, 3 points are collinear, that means same on the line. अब 3 points को collinear prove करना है. Now the given 3 points, right? Point P is given, point Q is given, right? Question number 4. This is question number 3. Now question number 4. Then is the coordinate of A point is given. Coordinate is 2, minus 3 and 4. Coordinate of B point is given minus 1, 2 and 1. And now the coordinate of C point is given 0, 1 by 3 and 2. Right? Let the point C divide the line AB in the ratio k is to 1. Same formula kx2 plus x1 upon k plus 1, ky2 plus y1 upon k plus 1, k z2 plus z1 upon k plus 1. Right, student? So, now apply this formula, then k coordinate of point C, k x2, where x1, y1, z1 is a 2 minus 3, 4, and x2, y2, z2 minus 1, 2, 1. So, k x2 is a minus 1, plus x1 is 2 upon k plus 1, k y2 is 2, and plus y1 is minus 3 upon k plus 1, and k z2 is 1 and plus z1 is 4 upon k plus 1. इसमें मैंने पॉइंट सी फाइंड कर लिया, बट पॉइंट सी ऑलरेडी गिवन है 0, 1/3 and 2, right? That means they are coincide, is again corresponding coordinate are equal. Suppose k minus k plus 2x coordinate is minus k plus 2 equals upon k plus 1 equals to 0. Now cross multiply, that is minus k plus 2 equals to 0, that means k equals to 2. Now the y coordinate, that is a 2k minus 3 upon k plus 1 equals to 1/3, and now 1/3 is a cross multiply, that is 3 2 is 6 minus 3 is a 9 equals to k plus 1. Then 6k minus k is a 5k minus 9 plus 1 is 10 equals to 10, then is again k equals to 2, and now the third coordinate, there are z coordinate k plus 4 upon k plus 1, k plus 4 upon k plus 1 equals to 2. Now cross multiply, k plus 4 equals to 2k plus 2. Then 2k minus k is k. That is a 4 minus 2 is 2. So same value of k, then hence points A, B, C are collinear. So student, this is very important question, and it's the last question, are very easy, only hints there. कि find the coordinate of the point which trisection the line segment joining these 2 points. भाई आपके सामने सबको मालूम है 2 पॉइंट को ज्वाइन करने से एक लाइन बनती है. दिस इज द फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन. ए पॉइंट इज गिवन, बी पॉइंट इज गिवन. नाउ ट्राइसेक्शन मतलब दैट इज अ 3 इक्वल पार्ट, राइट? दिस इज पॉइंट ए, दिस इज पॉइंट बी, दिस इज पॉइंट सी एंड दिस इज पॉइंट डी. यानी इन तीनों को इक्वल पार्ट में डिवाइड कर रहा है. ए पॉइंट गिवन है, बी पॉइंट गिवन है, एंड नाउ फाइंड द कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ सी एंड डी पॉइंट, right? Find the coordinate of the point which trisect the line segment joining these 2 points. Sorry, is given is P and Q, 2 points. P point is given and Q point is given. Now this is the R and S point. So suppose R point के coordinate find करने, तो this is the equal part set, you know. So now point R, divide the line PQ into 1:2. Ratio 1:2 लेना है. और जब S point find करना है, तो that is the 2:1. Right, and apply same formula, section formula, m1 x2 plus m2 x1, comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1, right, comma m1 z2 plus m2 z1. Thank you student. 3D complete chapter.